Scientists, specifically scientists of mental health, have discovered that as humans, we tend to dwell on our traumatic memories. An example from the American Psychology Association is that we may forget what we had for breakfast, but we'll definitely remember that horrible car accident or breakup from 5+ years ago. These same scientists believe that there's potential to manipulate the brain into forgetting these experiences. This, of course, is a process that will take much testing, but is believed to be possible.
Using technology to erase bad memories from the brain has become a topic of interest because there are many remembrance of certain things that people may want to forget, such as triggering memories and breakups. With this new advancement of technology, scientists may possibly erase all traumatizing memories and can help a person live better and allow them to also move on from those traumatizing memories. It is also a topic of interest because many people wonder, how could anyone possibly do this to wire someone's brain to allow them to forget a big part of what the brain's function is about? Memory. With that being said, it catches the interest of many because up until now, many thought that it would be quite impossible to do something so difficult.
The current state of knowledge is that many painful memories do fade with time, but particular ones can leave a lasting mark on the brain, resulting in PTSD. Computational neuroscientists are in the process of trying to find a decoded neural feedback treatment for PTSD. The fMRI machine will help the patient by eventually modifying any painful memories they've experienced.
The fMRI machine is used to extract and retarget specific patterns of neural activity. fMRI data is collected during exposure to a painful stimulus parsed by a machine learning algorithm to separate the specific pattern. Research studies in the past decade have found that this approach can noticeably reduce the fear associated with these memories.
Despite the good and bad nature, memories form a crucial part of the human psyche, to the extent of defining one's personality. Modifying these memories might be equivalent to redefining and completely changing a person's identity, particularly when it's used for the wrong reasons. This technology can be an ethical issue. One issue could be that they are partly changing mental representation with the person not being entirely aware of it. So, this should only take place in specific settings only. Kellmeyer says this technology raises ethical concerns over both data and mental privacy. An example would be having your credit card number stolen. Having your memory data stolen could have much larger implications.
The future directions of this, there's no clear evidence right now, but in most clinical trials, there is a 50% chance success rate. But due to that, they're trying to run more clinical trials to have that success rate more increased. And the technology will start to become more focused on post-traumatic syndrome disorder, which is also known as PTSD. It can also be used through decoded neurofeedback, also known as DECNEF, which is the nickname for the type of technology that they're using. The development of this technology is becoming way more progressed since there's such a demand to interpret the functions of the brain. In general, the brain is something that it's not comprehended most of the time. It's kind of like uncharted territory. Part 2 of future directions, with computer neuroscience reaching the proof of concept stage, it's more likely we'll see more down the road to healing for those who suffer from depression, anxiety, and also PTSD. The end goal is to reduce the impact of traumatic memories through this new progressive technology through a few clinical sessions with the patient, such as therapy and stuff like that.